Hello student, good morning. We are starting the third chapter here. The first chapter we start there sentence and the other part of that four type of the sentence, okay, means kinds of sentence over. In the third chapter we are starting here noun. What is the noun? All naming words are called noun. Okay, remember, all naming words are called noun. Noun is a person, place, things and animal. Noun is a person, place, things and animal. Okay, animals, birds also. What is noun? Noun. All naming words are called noun. Noun is a person, place, things and animal. Understand? 9. Two type of the noun. First two type of the noun, that is first proper noun and other common noun. Okay, proper noun and common noun. We study here to the first proper noun and common noun. What is the proper noun? Define proper noun. Proper noun is a word. Proper noun. Proper noun is a word. Proper noun is a word which use specific person or place. Proper noun is a word which use specific person or place. जो specific है उसके लिए हम proper noun का use करते हैं. तो proper noun is a word which use specific person or place. What is common noun? Same define. Common noun is a word which use general person, place or things. Common noun is a word which use general person, place or thing. It is called common noun. Understand? Very easy define the proper noun and common noun. Proper noun is a word which use for specific person. Common noun is a word which use for general person, place, things, anything. Understand? Very easy. How can explain? किस तरह आप समझ पाओगे? तो proper noun. So I example for you. School. Many school. There are many schools. So school is a common noun. But Seventh Day, Nelson, Crystal, it is proper noun. Understand? Temple. Temple is a common noun because many temples. Okay. But Shiv temple, Ram temple, Mahavir Swami temple, it is proper noun. Epics, common noun because there are many epics, but the Ramayana, the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran Sharif, it is proper noun. Okay, the rivers, many rivers. Okay, so common noun, but the Ganga river, the Brahmaputra river, the Nile river, it is proper noun. Ocean, common noun, but Indian Ocean, proper noun. Mountain, common noun, but Himalaya, proper noun. Understand? So we can say that if the and only one specific identity, it is called proper noun. As to the general, it is called to the common noun. Okay. Next point. Proper noun, common noun, and after next point. Countable noun and uncountable noun. A noun which we can count, it is called to the countable noun. A noun which we cannot count, it is called uncountable noun. Some noun we can count, like as the things pencil, rubber, stick, count. Okay, but some noun we cannot count. Milk, petrol, we cannot count. Okay, so uncountable noun. So countable noun and uncountable noun. Next, number of noun, gender of noun. So gender of the noun, what is the gender? Gender, there are four types of gender. There are four types of gender. Okay, which you know. The first is masculine gender. Masculine gender. Second is feminine gender. third is neuter gender, and fourth is common gender. In English there are 4 types of gender. हमारे इंग्लिश के अंदर जेंडर 4 तरह के होते हैं. पहला होता है मस्कुलाइन. मस्कुलाइन जेंडर शो दैट ऑल men include in masculine gender. Lion, tiger, policeman, all type of example of the masculine gender. Feminine gender, a gender which denote woman या lady. Okay, जैसे goat, woman. Okay, this type of the gender is which gender? Yes, feminine gender. Feminine gender represent show that female gender. And third, neuter gender means non-living things. Non-living things, it is called to the neuter gender, means all object include in it. And fourth is common gender. In our English, the common gender is represent, is show, denote. What is common gender? Means both include in common gender male and female. Male and female include into the common gender. Many example I give you. डॉक्टर मेल और फीमेल बोथ होते हैं. इंजीनियर, जज, ऑफिसर, चिल्ड्रन, जिसके अंदर दोनों आते हैं, लेडीज और जेंट्स दोनों होते हैं, प्रोफेसर, प्रिंसिपल, तो वो हमारा रहेगा कॉमन जेंडर. ओके, पहले हमने पढ़ा था जेंडर. तो हमारे इंग्लिश में 4 तरह के जेंडर होते हैं. पहला हमारा जेंडर था मस्कुलाइन जेंडर, जिसके अंदर हम क्या बताते हैं, सभी जो नर जाति है उसके अंदर आ जाती है. दूसरा हमने पढ़ा था मस्कुलाइन के बाद फीमेनाइन, जिसके अंदर सभी नारी जाति है वो सब उसमें आ जाएगी. न्यूटर जेंडर, जिसके अंदर सभी नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स ऑब्जेक्ट है वो आ जाएंगे. और लास्ट था कॉमन जेंडर, जिसके अंदर लेडीज और जेंट्स दोनों आ जाते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं कॉमन gender. So we can say that there are the 4 types of gender. Okay, thank you very much.